open this morning. I have not done a scent session in a long time. So let's go through the new spring hotness that we got here at Victoria's Secret and Pink. Miss Corona, Victoria's Secret said, y'all ass still gotta be to work. We on limited hours, but we still here. I want to go through the mist and lotion collection first. This is the first time I've been excited about the mist and lotion collection. Y'all know I always tell y'all my pheromones are clean. I'm a clean scent girl. Fruity floral don't work for me. Every now and then I'll find a floral I could deal with, but not overbearing. So my favorite of the Oasis collection, this is Fresh Jade. So the notes on it says lime squeeze, driftwood waves, coastal away. So it's very fresh, aloe smelling with a hint of lime, with a hint of citrus. I smelled the citrus in it before I even read it, and it's very fresh and it's very clean. Hence, that's why these other two, that's my favorite from this collection, y'all. This pairs good with a perfume that we have out, but we're going to come back to that later. If you're a fresh, clean girl, this is going to be for you. The second very clean one from that is Oasis Bloom. So Oasis Bloom have like a floral note to it. So the note says citrus flower, coconut musk, let's escape. It really smells like you're at the beach, but like you're in Jamaica sipping on a coconut drink. Right? It doesn't have heavy citrus notes where it's more so tropical. It's just like a light coconut breeze. Like if you're laying there, no, actually laying in Hawaii and the breeze drift by and you smell the coconut trees, that's what this will remind you of. I like it, but it's like a third favorite. So if you're into that type of smell, you know, coconut makes anything fresh. So that's why that's never a bad thing. Now, Marine Splash is one that I like, but if you also remember back then we had one called Marine Chill. The notes on this one said waterfall petal, grapefruit musk, let's dive in. Very, very similar to Marine Chill. If you got Marine Chill from back then, you also got Marine Chill when we had it semi-annual for like $2.99. So I did not pick this one up, although I like the smell on it. But some of the mist lovers, you probably got a lot of this stuff home that you probably ain't even touched yet. And what I do, y'all, I don't hoard. Birthdays, holidays, I make little goodie bags for people. And hence how I'm spraying it up in the air. When you spray it, you don't spray it directly on the paper like that. You would spray it and then touch the paper. Because if you spray it directly on the paper and whiff, you're getting alcohol. So if I wanted to get this, I wouldn't mind. But like I said, Marine Chill I already have. And the other one from this line, there was Fort Bright Palm. Now, not to be confused with Neon Palm, which everybody know Neon Palm was my babe last summer. So much so that there's rarely a mist and a lotion that I rebuy. I stocked up on Neon Palm at the semi-annual sale, and I've been smelling like summer all winter. That's how much I like it. If you follow me on IG, then y'all know I do RIP, my scent of the month, and then a new one that I start. Because I can kill a lotion and a mist in a month. Okay, so I don't hoard my stuff. But this right here, this is B. Apricot Bloom, Coconut Milk, Find Your Shine. You definitely get the apricot. You get the little light hint of coconut, which like I said, coconut makes everything fresh. So between Bright Palm, Fresh Jade, these are the sets that I purchased because again it has that clean note. Only thing that's going to really give you the floral from this is Oasis Bloom. Like I said, Marine Chill already have. Just nice and clean. On to the star of the show, y'all. We have a line that's dedicated to the Amalfi Coast, Saint Tropez, some nice getaways. This one is called Saint Tropez Beach Orchard. The notes on this is coral honeysuckle, like you're in Saint Tropez. I like it, but it's a little sweet. By most VS Mist collectors, they're going to get it because it belongs to a collection. So this is one that I passed on. For somebody that liked that fruity floral, this gonna be for you. It just didn't move me, but most collectors, like I said, they're going to get that. And then you have Bali Coconut Palm. I say this is really, really good. This is really good if you're a coconut lover. If you love our coconut passion, you're going to like this. Because you got to think, most things they're giving you, they're going to give you something we already have, but they're going to put a remix on it. Coconut and pineapple. So to me, this is too sweet. But you have people that they like those notes on it. I like it on other people. I just don't like it on me. But if it goes to my annual, I'll buy it. Because when I get down to the last little bit of my mist, I walk around the house and I spray them like that. Now on to the two I like. Santorini. Oh my God. Santorini Neroli waters. Everybody said it smells like a bubble bath. It does, but it smells like a luxury bubble bath. Neroli water, butterfly lily. When I tell y'all, this is so sexy. It smells so luxurious. You don't even think it's something that Victoria's Secret will have. It does smell like you're sitting in a luxury bubble bath. This is why I had to have this one. And I can feel me being in Santorini, standing on that rooftop. Y'all know that popular rooftop that everybody's standing when they get the picture of the little white houses and you can see the beach. Yeah, I can see me in that. And then the favorite, lemon Capri leaves. Now, we don't ever really get anything with lemon notes. They'll say citrus, but not lemon. Lemon leaves, sea spray, citrus coast of Capri. Capri, the coast of Capri. When you spray this, you feel like you're on the coast of Capri. I haven't sprayed anything on me today, so you smell like you're on the coast of Capri already. Okay, it's sexy, it's clean, it's light, it's lemony, but not over lemony. You got it's like an adult grown and sexy is what I'm trying to tell y'all. Sometimes you can get things that are so sweet, smelling like cake, smelling like candy, like it should be sold in clears. I'm all the way grown. I'm almost 40. I'm grown and sexy. I want to smell like it. And that's what this gives me. But we're not done. We're not done. We released a new scent, a new perfume. Very Sexy C. I'm not a fan of the Very Sexy, y'all. I'm not. But this bad boy, Very Sexy C, it has a lighter note. The older Very Sexy was so heavy. It reminded me of grandma or somebody on Christian Mingle. It ain't no lie about it. It was so heavy, so assertive. Like when somebody walk in the room, you just know they have that on. This is so light. This is so light but sexy at the same time. And this is the lotion. They have a body mist as well to go with it. It has Italian bergamot, Norelli flower, like that Norelli mist, sun-drenched cedar. So Very Sexy C, y'all, got some pieces to go to it. This is the little tote bundle you get when you spend $88. You get the perfume. We got a blingy keychain scrap. It got a towel. When I wear this perfume, Sneiko gonna laugh at me, but when I spray this, walking in the room was like, bad bitch alert. That's why y'all need to come in and smell this and see what that is, because like Sneiko told y'all, Very Sexy C. So here goes is that First girl. Love, y'all. First Love, not love in the pink, but First Love. First Love scent notes is violet leaf, lily of the valley, and sheer musk. So remember I tell you I don't do floral, but every now and then there'll be a floral that I don't mind. This would be a floral I don't mind because it's a fresh / floral mix. It's green in color, and it smells nice. This is a nice Sunday morning, day party, turn up with your girls type perfume. It's not too heavy. It's not a nighttime scent. It's my man taking me out to brunch with the girls, trap brunch. Yeah, this will get the job done. But some people, when they be like, well, perfumes don't stay on me, you want a layer. You can do the lotion, spray your perfume, it always traps onto that. But I find, and everybody's not going to do this, it's just me working here, come up with little concoctions. When I spray this and I use the lotion and I go back with fresh jade, that sticks on me all day. Guests in the store be like, what is that you have on? I show it. they'll buy it. Sometimes they buy it, sometimes they don't, because this is a regular EDP. 1.7 ounce runs for $68. 3.7 runs for $88 in any perfume that we have, but they're more prone to go with the mist, because the mist and lotion are on sale for $6, or sometimes you get that 2 for $20, 3 for $25, thing like that, right? But this is a very nice one. I wore this yesterday, which was Sunday. It's a light. It's light, but it's clean, but it's still on the sexy side. Not heavy at all. That's my whole point. So we're gonna wrap this up, but I'm gonna show y'all 2 new items we got from Pink. It's just like, I kind of not feeling it, but it is what it is. So over here at the Pink Beauty table, y'all, we have some new scrubs. There's berry scrub, an apricot. There was a red one. There was a grapefruit one as well. And then there's a new lotion to the mix, which is the grapefruit lotion. Now, I do like the grapefruit lotion. It smells very fresh. As far as the body wash is coming out, there's a pineapple body wash that's coming out. Along with, we still have the soap and scrub lotion. You still have the honey. You still have the cocoa chill. And then the cocoa wash. Those are still there. And right now, when you buy $20 worth, you get an organizer for $5. So thank you for joining me on this morning's Sun Session. We gotta go to music on. That means we gotta open. Corona is out here, but Victoria's Secret nail brand say, baby, we in business. See y'all next one.